Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Google Nest Hub is probably one of the most versatile smart home devices you can get your hands on, seamlessly blending into your daily routine with its intuitive interface and powerful Google Assistant capabilities, making it an indispensable tool for managing your smart home, staying informed, and enjoying entertainment right from your countertop or bedside table. Number 5. Google Nest Thermostat, Snow. Meet the smart thermostat designed to help you save energy and stay comfortable. It learns your schedule and adjusts automatically, so you don't waste energy when you're away. It turns itself down when you leave, ensuring you don't heat or cool an empty home. You can easily set an energy-efficient schedule using the Google Home app. Adjust the temperature remotely from your phone, laptop, or tablet. This allows family members to easily manage your home's climate from any location. Our Savings Finder identifies opportunities to reduce energy consumption. It suggests schedule tweaks within the app to help you save more. It actively monitors your heating and cooling systems. You'll receive alerts and reminders for maintenance, ensuring everything runs smoothly. This device integrates effortlessly with Google Home and other smart home platforms. It's compatible with Google Assistant and other Matter-certified voice assistants for easy control. What we like. This smart thermostat is designed to save you energy and money by automatically adjusting the temperature when you're away. If you're looking for a way to reduce your energy bills without sacrificing comfort, this is a great choice. It also monitors your HVAC system, sending alerts for potential issues, making it ideal for homeowners who want peace of mind and efficiency. What people say. The Google Home Hub has a vibrant screen that makes viewing photos and videos a joy. Google Assistant is responsive and understands commands well, making it easy to control smart home devices. The speaker quality is surprisingly good for its size, delivering clear audio for music and podcasts. Number 4. August Home Connect Wi-Fi Bridge. Never worry about your door again. With this device, you can control your lock remotely, ensuring your home is always secure. Connect your smart lock to your home's Wi-Fi network effortlessly. This bridge allows for remote access, so you're always in control. It works with your favorite voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Simply use your voice to lock or unlock your door. Receive real-time notifications on your smartphone. You'll know instantly whenever someone enters or exits your home. Always know that your door is locked, even when you're miles away. Enjoy the convenience and security it provides for your peace of mind. What we like. Gain the ability to control your door from anywhere with this smart lock accessory. If you often find yourself wondering if you locked the door or need to grant access remotely, this is the solution. It integrates with popular voice assistants, offering convenience for those already in a smart home ecosystem. What people say. The Google Home Hub is a smart display that lets you see and do more with Google Assistant. You can view your calendar, get weather forecasts, control smart home devices, and more, all with voice commands. The device features a vibrant touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate menus and view information. The built-in Google Assistant provides quick answers to your questions and can perform a wide range of tasks. Google Home Hub seamlessly integrates with other Google services like Google Photos, allowing you to display your favorite pictures when the device is idle. It also supports video calls through Google Duo. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Original Smart Dimmer Switch PD, 6WCL-WH. Transform your existing lights and fixtures into a smart dimmer system with just one switch. It works with your current bulbs, making smart lighting simple and accessible. This smart switch offers unparalleled compatibility, working seamlessly with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Ring, Sonos, and more. It's designed to be the most connected smart lighting solution available. Experience ultra-fast and stable performance that goes beyond typical Wi-Fi switches. Our system works without Wi-Fi, ensuring dependable smart lighting control you can always count on. Manage your lights remotely using our intuitive app. Set up scenes, schedules, and timers for complete smart home automation, giving you control wherever you are. Enjoy a premium smart lighting experience with a sleek, modern design. It blends beautifully with your existing light switches for a cohesive look. Easily create a wireless switch solution anywhere in your home. It's perfect for setting up three-way switch configurations without the need for complex wiring. Use the Pico remote to wirelessly control your smart dimmer devices from anywhere. You can create a wireless switch setup for up to 10 devices, offering flexible control. What we like. Experience reliable smart lighting control that doesn't depend on your Wi-Fi network. If you've had issues with other smart devices due to unstable Wi-Fi, this is a fantastic alternative. It's perfect for those who want a dependable smart lighting system that works seamlessly with various smart home platforms. What people say. The Google Home Hub has a great display that is bright and clear, making it easy to see information at a glance. The Google Assistant integration is seamless, allowing for voice control of smart home devices and quick access to information. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well into any home decor. Number 2. Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Switch Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Experience ultra-fast and reliable smart lighting control that goes beyond typical Wi-Fi switches. Our smart hub ensures dependable performance when it matters most. Install a new switch location in under 15 minutes. Simply replace your existing switch and mount the remote anywhere to control your lights seamlessly. Enjoy ultra-fast and stable performance without relying on Wi-Fi. This system provides dependable smart lighting control, unlike standard Wi-Fi dimmers. Manage your lighting remotely using our app. Set scenes, schedules, and use features like geofencing and timers for complete smart home automation. Our dimmer switch features a sleek, modern design that complements your existing decor. It offers a premium smart dimmer experience. This smart lighting system connects with popular platforms like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home, offering broad compatibility. Experience premium, flicker-free dimming for your LED lights. We ensure compatibility with a wide range of dimmable LEDs for optimal performance. What we like. This deluxe kit provides everything you need to get started with a robust smart lighting system. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that includes dimmers, remotes, and a hub, this is it. Its reliable connection, independent of Wi-Fi, makes it ideal for users who prioritize stability and ease of installation from multiple lighting points. What people say. The Google Home Hub is a smart display that can show you the weather, news, and your calendar. It has a built-in Google Assistant that can answer your questions and control your smart home devices. The screen is bright and clear, making it easy to see information at a glance. Number 1. Google Pixelbook Go. Introducing the Google Pixelbook Go. Stay unplugged for up to 12 hours, so you can leave your charger at home. Need a quick boost? Get up to 2 hours of use in just 20 minutes. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing barely 1 kilogram and measuring just 13 millimeters thin. Its grippable design makes it comfortable to hold and carry wherever you go. Experience lightning-fast startup and seamless multitasking. Powered by an 8th Gen Intel Core processor, it's built for speed and responsiveness for everything you do. Your data is protected with the Titan C security chip and built-in antivirus software. Plus, Chrome OS updates automatically, ensuring you always have the latest features and security. Enjoy comfortable and quiet typing with the backlit Hush keys. The spacious and accurate touchpad requires only a light touch, and the fanless design keeps it cool for lap use. With up to 8.3 million pixels and dual stereo speakers, you'll enjoy amazing picture and sound. It's perfect for watching movies, editing photos, or video chatting. What we like. Stay productive on the go with this incredibly lightweight and long-lasting Chromebook. If you need a reliable laptop for work or school that you can take anywhere without constantly searching for an outlet, this is your best bet. Its fast performance and enhanced security features make it perfect for users who value portability and peace of mind. What people say. It's a smart display that can show you the weather, news, and your calendar. You can also use it to control your smart home devices, like lights and thermostats. The screen is bright and clear, and the sound quality is surprisingly good for its size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.